supposed to say whoever's playing film.
$2.
I didn't see a lot, so I think.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
All right. This is cool.
Yeah, it's a nice little diaper bag.
Yeah, Mickey Mouse. What are these?
They're ornaments, and I also have a little tree. We had intentions of putting a Christmas tree in our loft.
Yeah.
Literally, I've held on to them for years. And I'm like,
Just wishful thinking, right?
It's time to go.
Time to go. All right, so you got. Do you have any other Disney stuff?
I'm trying to think. I have a little sign here that's free because I bought it at a craft and they spelled friends wrong. If you could like break the letters off, like re-wood glue them on there. Feel free.
They actually spend.
But yeah, I didn't notice. I didn't even notice it until I got home, and I'm looking at the door. I'm like, that doesn't look right. And then I was like, it says Brian's.
That's actually, that might be one of the funniest things I've seen in a while.
Like, well, maybe somebody could just like scrape the last wood glued on there.
Oh my god. I'm gonna buy this from you.
Sure.
Oh man. So we're at $8.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's here?
A little wallet. Some little people.
Oh, these
Peloton. Yeah, they put the Peloton. I don't know if they have the like clip-in pieces or not. I do know that they work for the Peloton.
do you know what brand they are? Are they new?
Yeah.
Oh wow, never won.
They were too big. I'm willing to go down on the price if you want to make an offer.
$5?
Yeah. I'll put it
Alright, so I got 5, 10,
13, I think.
14, oh wait, 13, yeah, 13 total.
It's got the umbrellas and everything. It's 13, right?
Yep. I can't believe that sign, like that's...
I know, I was so disappointed.
So you came home, you put it on the wall, and then did you go back to them?
Well, they were at the fairgrounds and I didn't. I actually emailed the company and I said, I felt so bad.
That's embarrassing, you know. Like,
she was like, I'm so embarrassed, I can't believe it.
I wonder how many other ones they spelled wrong.
I don't know.
They had a whole stack of them. Can you imagine? Oh.
I mean, she sent a new one so fast, and she sent a couple little like goodies and stuff with it. She's like, I feel so guilty. Do you need a bag?
Yeah, please,
Okay.
if you don't mind. How funny is this? They spelled friends wrong. Oh my gosh. I almost want to get it and just stick it on my wall and see if my wife would notice. How you guys doing today?
Doing good. How are you?
Doing great.
Mark up for Philly fans.
Mark up for Philly. Oh. Who do you like?
Unfortunately, Washington.
Oh.
So it's in a bigger markup.
It's supposed to say whoever's playing film.
That's right.
So I have two favorite teams. I would say I have the Philadelphia Eagles and whoever's playing the Dallas Cowboys.
Okay, I can get on board.
Yeah. So.
Whoever's playing the Patriots.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
And then Titans and Dolphins.
I'm gonna make any pass love the Titans or Dolphins.
Well, Dolphins are kind of hard to love.
Right.
My cart too.
How many Amish coming to the yard?
They like Charlotte.
How many Amish come to the yard sale?
I'm saying not many.
No, not that many. Unless you're in Pennsylvania or Ohio.
Exactly. Yeah.
I'm
And
gonna-
you get a lot of flea markets.
I'm gonna get these two, man.
All right. So, Amanda, what'd you put on the games?
I think
It was all for.
15.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Yeah. Jacob, does that break your heart a little bit?
Nope.
He's been trying
not
to
me.
store them.
So, let's see what they got. Oh, that's cool. Like the train kid stuff. Ooh, magic. That's cool. Oh my god, look at the cowboy boots. How cute. Hello? I guess I'll come back. Good morning.
Hi.
How are you today?
How are you?
Doing great. Do you have any other video game stuff? I see the...
Just the Wii stuff there.
Just Wii stuff. How much are the little controllers?
All for $1.
All for $1? Okay, I'll take those. I'll take Clash of Titans. I normally don't pick up these Wii balance boards because they're a pain in the ship, they're super heavy, and they only go for like 10 to 15 bucks on eBay. But I do work with a local Amazon reseller, and it gives me 10 bucks cash for every board I get. So if I see them, I pick them up. Any more Disney stuff?
I'm sorry, what?
Do you have any more Disney stuff? These are cool.
Yeah.
No. Oh.
Ornament.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I'll get that. All right. Puzzles Disney. Is that new? Is it...
No, it's
geez.
used, so
Okay.
I don't know if it's what's in
Yeah. I think it's 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh wait, what are they? Oh, these are cool. Are they both? I'll take those too. 1, 2, 3. Was that 7? And then what's that? I don't know what you had on that. $7. Oh, actually, I was gonna buy those 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. $4.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I know. Something you normally don't get, right? Let's see here. I'm gonna get the skateboard in the Wii too. The Tony Hawk skateboard is supposed to come with a dongle that allows you to connect to the actual system. This one doesn't have it. I forgot to even ask for it. Rookie mistake. You know, if you had the dongle, you probably get about 25, 30 bucks for it. Without the dongle, you get about 15 bucks. Good morning.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
That's a lot of figures. Wow.
We left it for the longest time, and now the phase is over.
All that money spent, and you're like, oh.
Dude, it's great.
Yeah, I know.
Mainly girl stuff here,
Yeah.
but
All right.
got 2 little girls.
How much you asking for the Paw Patrol stuff?
Honestly, I kind of was just going to leave it up to make an offer because there's so much of it.
Yeah.
I don't even know what to...
Oh man, there's more here too. How much is that one? The
I'd do 5 for that.
5. Let's see what else you got here first. Nancy Drew. Oh, you don't see those a while.
Right? Yeah, my dad got them for my oldest daughter. She read them and was like, I'm not going to read them again. Yes, ma'am. Have a great day.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah, we got that. Maybe it was from Sam. They did like this giant home set.
What do you have in the first?
15.
15.
Yeah.
Do 10 for it?
Sure.
Cool. Take that. Let's see here. What else we got? And
They're all stuffed animals.
how much are the plush?
$2 each.
$2 each. That was cool. Big Frozen fan, huh?
Oh, she was.
Yeah.
Now she won't watch it.
My niece absolutely loves Frozen.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. 15 for 20? 6. I'm sorry. This is 14.
14. Yeah. Good morning. How are you?
Thank you. Appreciate you.
No, I haven't watched
Thank
it.
you.
Yep. You too. Doing good. Doing good. That's cool. What do you have in the figures?
Huh?
How much are the figures?
Figures, I do both for like 5, 10.
So 5 a piece?
Yeah.
Let's see what else is here.
Maybe 4 or 9.
Okay, let me look. Oh, was not expecting a whole bag of cards in the Snap-on bag.
Are you a cop?
Huh?
Are you a cop?
No.
Oh,
Oh no, I do YouTube. So I just film my yard sales, what I find. I go out and about. So.
Oh, I like it.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good. I came here earlier. There was a, I don't know if it's still in here.
Oh, sorry, we were probably...
Oh yeah, you're fine. Cool. What were you guys asking for that?
$3.
$3. I'll give you $3 for it.
I was like, there's got to be an Orlando Magic. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah, you close up shop? Don't spend it all in one place, all right? You're welcome. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
That's brand new.
Yeah, what are you asking for it? What are you asking for the?
I just looked up the price on it, and depending where, it's about 300 new, so figured about 150.
150 bucks.
It's real brand new, but I can't use it, so.
150, huh? Here's ones that new. One sold for $235 free shipping, so probably around 200 they were selling new.
Make me an offer.
Yeah. 100 bucks?
How much?
100?
150.
No.
I mean, I can put it
Gotcha.
directly on eBay or something and get more.
I understand. I mean, that's what I sell on eBay, so
How
if
about
I'm
100 and a quarter?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
100 and a quarter. Nah, I think I'll probably. Nah, I'll pass on that though. Thank you though. Was that the yes? Do you have any other video game stuff at all?
Sorry?
Do you have any other video game stuff? Any other video game stuff?
No, just that
Just
one.
this one. Okay.
That's a self-contained.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm familiar with it. So. All right. Good luck in your sale, sir. You guys been busy so far today?
It's been slow.
Really?
When I took a walk this morning, I didn't see a lot, so I think it's a quieter day.
Battlestar Galactica. That's cool. Coaster set. What's the, do you know the background or kind of how this all works?
No, I
No.
think I bought it back when I was gonna do some YouTube stuff, and I don't know if I even opened it. Did I?
The
I
bottom
must
looks
have
like-
opened it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I opened it.
Is all the
I don't
piece
think I ever used it. Yeah, you can check it out.
actually, is it open?
I think maybe not. It's got to be.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know because that's
No,
centerpiece.
the top tape's still on
Yeah,
there too.
yeah, look at the centerpiece.
Well, there you go. I never used it. How about that?
What do you have on that?
20 bucks.
20 bucks. Did you have any other stuff that you got? Did you say that you were gonna?
No.
I'll give you 20 for that.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I heard a lot about arbitrage and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Gary Vaynerchuk talks a lot about that. I just never
Yeah, Gary V.
got into it. Yeah.
All right, sir. Thank you. Good morning. Records. Okay, look at this VHS.
Alright, so I was at 18.
How much is that?
5 is 23. 25.
Perfect.
What? Oh, that's $3.
$3? I'll take it. You have any other ones like this?
No, that's just 10.
No. How much are the shirts?
Okay, I'm gonna go 5.
Five?
I got a Morgan Wallen one up here too if you're looking for country.
Yeah, let's just see. How much is this purse?
5.
Okay. It's cool. It's the Morgan Wallen.
Kristen, how much are your glasses?
$2?
I'll get them. And the bell.
That's 25.
I don't have Facebook, but she does.
Oh, maybe you could like
Oh.
do it follow on. Do it only for the business, and that's it. I don't like post personal stuff.
Come back.
Thank you, honey. Appreciate it. I'm gonna grab that plant and I'm gone.
Do you want hooks?
I got it. Thanks.
I'm gonna. Who's taking it?
All right. Oh,
The 8?
just the 8. Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Originally, but I know we'd have for those. We got cassettes and tapes if you're interested in those.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I can come and look at them real fast.
Yeah.
I try to look for like the old horror movies when I find them if I can.
Yeah. They were more of the like Western.
Yeah,
kind,
yeah,
but
it's
they
like-
did have some.
They were Scissorhands. It's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Disney classics. Community yard sale season is finally back in Florida. This was a great day of pickups. You know, we start off the day finding some video games, which is always good because those are the first things that usually go at yard sales. It's all about that nostalgic feeling for me sometimes. And when I found that New Kids on the Block doll, that was the highlight of my day, even though it's only worth like 20, 25 bucks for that. But the big score of the day, that microphone, used, I thought it was gonna go for like 75, 80 bucks. I had no idea that thing was brand new till he said that. I was shocked when I left there and looked at the comps and realized it's going for over $200+. So huge score for the day. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe because we get plenty of more yard sale content coming up here in the near future. Also, I'm going live tonight on Whatnot at 5 p.m. I'm doing a raid train with the Philly Flipper and a bunch of other resellers. So make sure you guys go check that out. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.